All right, this is a long one, so I'm going to kind of break it down. But ultimately, at the end of the day, it really is this. The person won their case 5 years ago, but then there was an issue about there was a mistake made on the determination, and they still haven't fixed it up. All right. Here's what I would tell you to do. I said, first of all, if you've got a representative, contact your representative to let your representative know. I know that in this example, that's what they've done already, and they've corrected and so forth. They're the best resource to kind of help you get through a lot quicker. That's the first thing. Second of all, contact your local office and ask them about, tell them that there has been an error and so forth. Now because you want to make, let me back a second. First of all, where was the error made? Because according to the breakdown I was receiving, the error occurred at the judicial level. Get it corrected at the judicial error first. Let me tell you why. Do everything you need to there, because once that's taken care of, that's what the payment center and the local Social Security office is going to rely on. They're relying on whatever is being kicked down from the court. Now, once they've got it from the court down there, if they're still not properly processing it right, you want to stay on top of them. And whether it be contacting your local office or asking the local office to give you the toll-free number so that you can contact basically whatever payment center is handling your case to make sure that they're aware of the error. Now, here's the other thing I always tell people, because a lot of times people want to blow up the spot and call people like till they're losing their mind. I always tell people, if there's an error, the moment Social Security tells you that there's an error and they recognize it, trust, they'll fix it. Now, what your responsibility is to pay very close attention to see that this is done. You got to give them a chance to do it. A lot of times what happens is that when people get so frustrated with dealing with the bureaucracy of the government, they want things to happen not now, but right now. But I tell people all the time, give it a chance to work itself out. They're going to send you stuff in writing, so this won't be a surprise. You'll get all the information that you need to know in order to move accordingly. But keep in mind, give the system a chance to work itself out. Now, they're going to send you all kind of documentation. You just make sure you keep copies of all that documentation so that if they keep screwing it up, go into the Social Security office. Don't do it over the phone. Go in the office with the paperwork so that you can have somebody sit down and go over this information, and you can distinctly and clearly delineate where the problem is. This way you can have documentation of where the broken parts are, and you can show them where it needs to be fixed.